Welcome to the CryptoNest. So, making this video so that my friends can know what I'm doing. All right, so now I know I'm expecting Bitcoin to make a pullback. What are the coins that I'm looking for to accumulate more? Well, sadly, AR already kicked off, right? But it's going to make a pullback. So now MA50 and yeah, 0.5, 0.382, those are my next targets. 33, 34 and 35, 16 are the level I'm checking. Can it go lower? Definitely. 31, 61 can go as low as that, and keep going higher. What else? I think I don't have a, yeah, this is it's not the chart, but it's a chart. I can see I don't have any labeling. Okay, so this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. I'm missing this fifth wave, and after that we're going to have a bigger pullback for the wave 2. But anyway, this is AR. Gladly, I did get some here for my long term. I think I scaled a little bit even more at this level here. And yeah, I believe it can reach like $100. I'm going to do more work on our weave. I'm kind of surprised that. Let me go and check. I'm supposed to have a chart on our weave. Where are you? Here? There you go. Okay, so wave 3, wave 4. Now the thing is wave 4 completed? Well, I would say, let me see here. We did reach a really nice level between the 0.382 and the 0.5. We can see an A, a B, and a C. So to me, honestly, this look completed. Now it definitely can make something more complex. I mean, all this could be just the A, and then this could be the B, and then we're going to do the C and go lower. You know, this is investing. It's not, if it was that easy to make money, and I can be sure 100% that this is it, well, I wouldn't be here anymore. You wouldn't be there anymore. No one would work. Everybody would start polluting with our Lambos. All right, so I do believe he has a great potential. Our weave. This is why I decided to scale in lately. Well, for sure, yeah, it's always those regrets, right? Because this was so cheap few months ago. You could have got it for $4. Now it's already at 10x. So this is another Solana, I would say. Okay, so now it could be once again. You know, I mean, I feel like I feel bored from myself. This could be an A, B, C for the wave 1, and then we have the A, B, C for the wave 2. In fact, let me go on the 4 hours maybe. Does that make sense? So A, B, C for the wave 1, and then we kind of have an A, B, C for the wave B, so overshooting wave B, and C. This was the wave 2, and now we are working on the third wave. So is it time to get to our wave now? Honestly, for sure this is not financial advice. I don't find this is a proper moment. It would have been a proper moment here, but now you already, yeah, the train is pretty left the station, for if you ask me. The only thing we can do now, it's waiting for the next deal. So the only thing we can do, we do a fib retracement until the last higher high, local higher high, and we check if price is it going to, go back to this level. If it does, especially on May 50, for me, I find it's a reasonable price to scale back in. If it goes lower, even better. This is what I'm aiming for. Now, personally, If it goes below $32, maybe I'm going to get some. Because I had, I don't know, I scaled back in much lower. To me, I will see how Bitcoin behave, and then I will act accordingly. But for the moment, definitely I wouldn't buy at this price because I find it's too pricey, and I'm going to wait for a pullback. Could it be that now it goes and start to skyrocket and go much higher? I don't know, 55. Yes, it can. So those are the risk of this hobby or this investment. You cannot predict market. You can only, expect things to happen. You can monitor stuff if they do uh, take the direction you are looking for. And unfortunately, sometimes or most of the time, the market doesn't move in the way we want, and we need to deal with it. How do we deal with it? Patience. By saying no, this is not a good entry level. I'm going to wait. If it goes higher, well, it wasn't meant to be. And when the situation are going to be best for the investment and risk rewards management, then I will scale in. Otherwise, there are so many coins out there that you don't have to, just focus on one. So what are the coins I'm looking for? So Arbitrum, no, sorry, Arweave. What are the? Well, for sure, Avalanche. I did a video on that. I'm looking to get some more Phantom. Phantom, it's kind of moving on the side, a little bit annoying, right? It's going on the side. Now, if I zoom out, I can do this downtrend line. So until we don't break this, and we don't break the, don't go higher than MA50. This is for me, it's still good. Now I would say today it's a little bit pricey. If you can go back at this level here, around 65, I'm going to get scale back more. What else? What else? ICP, it's a while I didn't cover, so I don't want to put any bad. Oh, okay. Just quickly, if I draw some trend lines like that, for sure I'm not going to be perfect, but you can see that this line is really relevant. And if I do something like that, well, I don't need to be a genius to realize that something is going to happen very, very shortly. Around before 11th of May, something's going to happen. Now, if ICP touch again this line, the support line here, yeah, it could be a nice entry. And if you break it, then you can put some sell stop limit for sure. Previous low here. If price goes below, then you can manage your risk. But definitely here, something's going to happen. Either it's going to break to the downside or the upside. But Bitcoin is going to go, is it supposed to go higher, Bitcoin, or lower? So yeah, that's what I'm saying. If Bitcoin make its correction, I don't expect ICP to go crazy. So it wouldn't be impossible that ICP kind of hold, maybe go to this downtrend or maybe at this relevant area, and then after that skyrocket with Bitcoin, because eventually Bitcoin has to do that final leg up. All right, so well, for sure, Immutable X, Injective. I mean, Injective is, are you kidding me? People that are looking for rebate. So from 50 today, it's 51%, almost 52% down, and we had a 65% rebate on Injective. I gladly got some at 22. I don't even remember if I got more here. I think other alarm triggered. That's the beauty of having alarm. You can go to bed and sleep, and sorry to say the word, shit happen, and then you get rewarded because your order triggered. And there you go. Okay, so the other one, well, for sure we have Link. I did got pretty much heavy on Link. I do believe it has a great potential. I'm not talking about ADA because I have quite of a bag. So that's for that. Naka also, I did fill up my bags here, so I'm expecting something great for Nakamoto. And Orca also, I did load up a little bit. I started to buy when it was, I think 4 something, and definitely I got some here. As you can see now, this is a little bit weaker, but who knows? I do have conviction that Orca should do pretty well in next year. Well, we have Vulcan Forge also. To me, those are all super rebate that I did kind of scoop in. Very happy. And then for sure Render. I was so happy to get some orders here. As you can see, am I going to get it? I'm not going to get it. Anyway, so Mission Impossible. Oh yeah, I did it. Okay, so this is important to put some buy orders limit, right? So that one it got triggered, and then you're gonna say, ah, yeah, you know, but you could have bought it almost $1 cheaper. Well, who cares? Who cares? Look at the price now. So from the price I bought it up to now, 45%. So that's me being humble and very happy. Okay, so this is what we need to do now. Any coin that you are interested in, first of all, you find it's too pricey, go from the top of pretty much the third wave, because pretty much all the coins are the same. What was the maximum deal that we got offered? 55% of render. Are you kidding me? Wow. Okay, so and now from the top, render is still 28% cheap. Am I expecting a pullback? As you can see, yes, because we do have some Fibonacci retracement here. Is it up to date? No, not at all. So let me do that for a moment. As you can see now, we start to have some more reddish. And this is almost 30 minutes video, so I need to cut it short. Now, once again, we need to adjust our fib retracement, put on the 0.382 and lose everything below the 0.618. These are the accumulation point now. I'm not expecting deals anymore. Honestly, yeah, the 0.618 honestly is there, but I don't believe I'm going to get any. So my main of orders is going to start to the 0.382 because I don't want to miss out. And if it goes to the 0.5, that's a bonus. I feel like a lucky man. And if it goes to the 0.618, I mean, I go and buy a lottery card. This is how I feel. Now, this is bull market. Bull market will not give you gifts. And 0.618, that's a gift. That's a winning ticket. A lottery winning ticket. So this is how I feel now. And hopefully, once again, this was not too long video. Also, Solana, let me see here. Was Solana a good price to scale in? Let me see here. Because now it's been a while, didn't follow. So this was wave 1, wave 2. So the wave 3 in blue, it's not completed yet. And eventually we're going to have a wave 4. So within this third wave in blue, we have a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. This wave 5 is going to go here. And now the question is, did we manage to do properly this third wave from here to here? Okay, perfect. So you can see that we didn't even touch the 0.382. So now the question is this wave 4 in yellow completed for Solana, or we should reach lower price? Honestly, even though it looks good, I do believe for the sake of structure, we should go a little bit lower, at least $116. We almost got there though, so this is like the low 118.89. It's close, but didn't even touch the minimum. So I don't know. Let's take some stock RSI. Stock RSI is telling me that price should eventually come down on the daily. Let's see on the 4 hours. Yeah, RSI it's high, stock RSI it's high. On the daily I didn't really check. So we have room to go higher on the long term. Short term, I'm seeing price taking lower levels. Let's see if it goes, if it does happen. Ideally, I want maybe Solana to touch the MA 200. That would be a very nice accumulation level. So let's see if we get there. So now, how is the smart way to do it? Well, first of all, it's to put an alarm. So I'm going to put something around here. Once again, 15 minutes. And then so accumulate. All right, so this is how we do it. Alarms, all the way alarms. I did tell you the only advice, financial advice that I give here in this channel is invest into TradingView. That literally is going to make you money, literally. All right, so this is pretty much all. I give you the way I'm looking at things. How do I analyze stuff? Are the altcoin cheap or not? So first of all, just to recap, look at the coin you are interested to get. From the top, you go to the bottom that we reached. So that was the maximum deal we had. Now, there are a few exceptions. Solana, I believe we could go lower. Actually, I didn't do it for Solana, did I? So from the top, about, to the bottom, 43%. So yeah, we could go a little bit higher, but I mean lower. We could get a more a better discount, but I don't know. It depends on you if you really want it. Now, me, I believe for sure price is going to get rejected at the MA 50. We're going to yeah, price is going to be rejected, and I believe we're going to make a new lower low, local lower low. I believe if it doesn't, well, definitely we're going to get maybe a retest at this green trend line, and this is my view on that. So from the higher high, you go to the lower low, local lower low. That was our discount price. So if we already had 55% and now you do the maths and you're having, I don't know, 35%, it's still 35%. Better than nothing. If I do that for Solana and you buy today, that's 26% discount. So it's still not that bad. Not ideal, but still not that bad if you are a long-term investor. All right, so you do that for all the coins you want to invest into, and you should be pretty much happy in, let's say, 1 year from now. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.